Smart street light, or street light that glows on vehicle movement. This system doesn't need a manual operation to turn on or off the street lights. It detects whether there is need of light or not. The project aims at saving energy by detecting the vehicle movement on highways and switching on the street light ahead of it. As soon as the vehicle moves ahead, the trailing lights automatically switches off. This can be used to save a lot of energy, instead of using conventional system, where the street lights are remained on in the night time. This is the connection diagram of this project. We have connected the positive terminal of yellow LED with pin number 11 of Arduino. Negative terminal of the LED is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. IR sensor module works on 5-volt power supply. IR sensor module has 3 main pins: VCC, ground, and output. Connect the VCC pin with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the output pin of IR sensor module with pin number 7 of Arduino. This is the code of this project. Sensor state is an integer type variable. It will be used in the program to store the status of input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once. As soon as the program starts running, in this project, we will give high or low signals to the LED connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. We will read the status of the sensor connected at pin number 7. So we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over, unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Sensor state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable, sensor state. If sensor state value is low, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11. It indicates the presence of a vehicle in front of the sensor. If sensor state value is high, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, and yellow LED will turn off. It indicates that no vehicle is in front of the sensor. Now we will write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. After writing the code, we will save the project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code is now transferred to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take a 5-volt yellow LED. We will solder a red wire at its positive terminal, and black wire at its negative terminal. Now we will pass the wires through a straw. Now connect a red wire at VCC pin, black at ground pin, and yellow wires at output pin. Now connect the red wire of the sensor with the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now connect the red wire of yellow LED with pin number 11, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. When a vehicle will cross the street light, then street light will glow automatically. When no vehicle is in front of the street light, then street light will remain off. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.